Hi guys, I'm Shruti Singhal, a memory expert. I've done BCom, MCom, company secretary, and I've given civil services exams as well. Okay, so today what we are going to do, I'm going to tell you about the course of my World Monument Mastery Workshop. Okay, so let us see what all we are going to cover, how we are going to do it. For the for this journey, I'm not alone. I have somebody with me. Do you want to meet him? Dun, dun, he's my favorite me to say hi. Hi, I am Mitu. I love to learn new things. So let us learn about monuments. I am so excited. Okay, so guys, see, the course name is Monument Mastery, a workshop for 50 global landforms. Okay, so but then the workshop is for the age group is 5 to 14 years. Anyone who is in this age group, they can easily learn. Even parents can take it for themselves, learn it, and then you can make your child learn all these landmarks. Okay. So let us learn few of them right away so that you get to know how we teach it. And Mito is super excited. So let us teach him as well. So the first monument we are going to do is Eiffel Tower, and the country is France. Now the memory technique that we are going to use is we are going to break the word or make some meaning out of it. Okay, so Eiffel Tower. So I fell, fell to fell down, right? I fell, tower, right? France, we will do the rhyming word dance, France, right? Rhyming word. So now how are we going to do? Can you see this eye? This tower is looking like an eye. Now when I was dancing, what happened? His both legs got away, and it started falling down. Okay, so I fell because he was dancing. So I fell, Eiffel Tower, dance, France is the capital. Okay, oh, so easy to remember. I fell because he was dancing. I fell, tower is the monument, and dance, France is the country where it is located. Right, so do you know about this? This Eiffel Tower, it has crisscross pattern made from iron bars. Can you see it is all made up of iron bars? And it is named after Gustave Eiffel, who designed this tower. Okay, so his surname is Eiffel, and that is why the name has become Eiffel Tower. Do you know it is also called as the Iron Lady? Okay, why? Because it is made up of iron and it looks like as slim as a lady, right? So it is called as the Iron Lady. Got it? Easy, right? Let us do the next one, and that is Luxor. And the capital is, oh, sorry, the country where it is located is Egypt. Okay, so Luxor, how are we going to do? Lux. You know Lux soap, right? Jeep. Egypt we will do with a jeep. Do you know jeep, right? So this is a jeep. Now, how are we going to learn? See, Luxor is an open monument, outdoor museum it is. Okay, so it is the world's largest outdoor museum. The temple was built to celebrate the Opet festival. So in Egypt, they are celebrating Opet festival, and it is used for that. The temple serves as a burial site for the royals. Okay, now how to remember that this is called Luxor and it is in Egypt? See, they are all sitting in sun and they have sweated like anything. So a lot of sweat is coming out from them and they're smelling like anything. And they said, oh my God, now we are smelling. We need a Lux soap. Now they are so big. So for them, a big Lux soap is coming in a Jeep, a big Jeep. Okay. So there is a Jeep and big Lux soap. We are bringing it for the people who are sitting outside in the sun over there. Okay. So Luxor, Lux is coming in the Jeep. So Jeep, Egypt is the country where it is located. Oh, so easy to remember. All these people are sitting outside and they are sweating like anything. Oh my God, so much smell is coming from them. So we need a Lux soap. Ah, they are so big. So we need a big Lux soap. So that is why one Lux soap has come in a Jeep. Luxor, and Jeep, Egypt is the country where it is located. Got it, guys? So easy, right? Let us learn one more monument, okay? And that is Chichen Itza. Do you know it is one of the seven wonders also? And it is in Mexico. It is large Mayan city. So Mayan are the people. So how do we understand about Mayan? So imagine there is a group of people like this. Okay, I thought this is not here. Okay, and these people are named as Mayans. Okay, so this group of people, like suppose there is a group and they were called Maya. Okay, so Maya civilization they made it, and this is called Mayan city. Okay, it is famous for large pyramid temples. They have temple inside it. It has a complex design and rich history. It has it. Okay, now how to remember it? Chichen we will do with the chicken, right? Pizza we can do with the pizza. Mexico, we can do it. Maggie, go. Maggie, go. Okay. Now, what is happening? This chicken is going up, up, up on the stairs, and it is, can you see it is in the pyramid shape, so square shape, and it is going up, up, up over there, stood over there, and said, Maggie is not good. Maggie, you go from here. So he fell down from the top. Maggie was going down. Today I'm going to eat pizza. Okay, so chicken pizza, chichen itza, Maggie go, Maggie go. Mexico is the country where it is located. All right, kids, can you see chicken is saying pizza? I want to eat pizza today. And Maggie, you go from here. So from the top, he made it fell down. Maggie go, Maggie go. And Maggie was very sad. Oh my God, you made me fail from the top of this pyramid. So chicken likes to eat pizza today. So chicken pizza, chichen itza, and Maggie go from here. So Maggie go, Mexico is the country where it is located. Right, kids? So easy. So we have done three monuments. So which are these three? Tell me. I was falling down when he was dancing. So I fell, Eiffel Tower. Then people were sitting outside. So what do they need? Lux soap and a big Lux soap. So it is coming in the Jeep. Luxa, Jeep, Egypt. Now chicken likes to eat pizza. So Maggie goes. So chicken, pizza, Chichen Itza. And Maggie go, Mexico is the country where it is located. Easy, right? In the same way, we are going to learn all the 50 monuments, right? So, parents, are you interested to help your child to learn these 50 landmarks of the world? Right? And are you tired of teaching landmarks alone and need help? So, have you ever tried it teaching them? But they are not able to recall whenever you need it, right? So, because it is not with the memory technique, once you make them learn with the memory technique, they will be able to recall it whenever they need it. So, I made a 4-hour Power Pack program. Can I share it with you? Within 4 hours, your child would be remembering all the 50 monuments of the world. So, it is called as World Monument Mastery Workshop. And promise of my workshop is your child can tell all the 50 monuments in just 5 minutes along with its location after learning from me in 4 hours. Okay. So within 5 minutes, you ask them and they will flash it, all of them, and will be able to tell all the 50 monuments. I've created this Power Pack World Monument Mastery Workshop specially for the kids of 6 to 14 years, and which includes even a 5-year child can easily learn it, because over here just the monument picture is there and the story is there. Okay, so even a 5-year child can also learn, but with the assistance of their parents. Okay. Now, basics of landmark. So first, what we are going to learn, what are landmarks? What are the different types of landmark we have? Why do we preserve monument? Is it easy to take care of these monuments? So I'll be telling you about these. Then uniqueness of 7 wonders of the world. Knowing the name of 7 wonders is easy, right? But why it is wonder? Who selects the wonder? Why only 7? Why not 5 or 6? Okay, where it is located, where they all are located. Okay, imagine your child got a chance to spend half an hour with some intellectual person or a foreigner. What would your child talk to him? How will he start communication? If they know these wonders or these monuments, you can easily, suppose somebody is from the country and he already knows, suppose somebody is from France, he already knows, okay, in France we have this Eiffel Tower, so it is easy for him to start with the communication, right? So that is why it is very important to do it. Then memorize the name of 50 landmarks and how do they look like. Okay, so monuments are the symbol of national pride and identity. By learning about these monuments, your child can develop the sense of greater understanding about the various countries. Now, next, memorize the name of the countries where all these 50 landmarks are located. Children feel connected when they travel to these countries or watch on television, right? Even the learning about these countries become more interesting as monuments can tell a lot about geographical and historical conditions of the countries. Fact about each landmark. So what is the fact about each landmark? So I'm going to, the way I told you that, okay, it is made by Gustave Eiffel, right? Now these small, it is called the Iron Lady, and these small facts make them understand about these. They are more curious to know about each monument, and I give that information to them. Now, what all you'll be getting it? Material. So, soft copy of the material. You'll get the following: all the landmarks, their pictures, which country they belong to. Along with it, I'll be giving you few worksheets also to practice. Then I'll be giving you recording. The class recording will be given to you so that you never feel stuck. Okay, so even for the class, even you can do it with the recordings also. It is so easy. And my classes are as interesting as I've done it right now for 3 monuments, right? So you can easily go for the recording, and whenever I have the live class, come and attend the live classes also. Then quiz. I'll be giving you the link of the quizzes, and you will be given it so that you can play it as many times as you want. It is not that only one time you have played it and you cannot play again. You can play it as many times as you want. Then now if you see the value of this course, everything, whatever I've given you is for rupees 3,000. Not only this, my USP is no previous countries or monument knowledge is needed to enroll in this course. Very simple and result oriented approach to memorize, learning in the most interesting and easy way with Mithu, playing Kahoot quizzes in the end of each class to ensure learning is done in the class itself. Okay, so even if you watch the videos, it won't take more than 4 hours to learn all the countries and the monuments that I have promised you. So, guys, to be very honest, I am on a mission to make 1 million geohackers of 6 to 14 years of age to have full command on general knowledge using memory techniques in the most interesting and easy way without disturbing their school studies. And for that, to complete my mission, I have an amazing offer for you. And this offer is this entire value of the course is not rupees 3,000. It is only and only 1,500 for you. Okay, so within 1,500, imagine your child will have full command. You go to the market, even once, 1,000 rupees or 1,500, kids usually take any gift them this, and I'm telling you, your child will have so much of confidence after that. Okay, so let us see what all will be included for you. Basics of landmark, name of the 50 monuments, how do they look like, recordings for 5 years, quiz for 1 year, 7 wonders of the world, then location of 50 monuments, facts about landmarks, material, the soft copy you will get it, and then lifetime membership of our community, so that any updates, anything or any new thing has come, we will be updating you over there. Okay, so a lot of new things we keep on putting over there, so you will be a part of my community. Okay, so all these you will get it. Just register for the course right away.